Hello, it's the £1 Gamer again today, and today is not a gaming video. It is an unboxing of a EE router that's just been delivered today, about 5-10 minutes ago. So 2 days ago, I upgraded my BT internet from 500 megabits per second to 900 megabits a second for just 47p extra a month. And that's just £4.70 a year. This is a 12-month contract, so a year contract, so just an extra £4.70 a month, £4.70 a year. To be fair, that bump in speed could be worth it for £4.70 a month. So, a whole new router. I've still got the other one plugged in. This will not be activated until Monday. This is just an unboxing. It's not a setup video, so I won't be showing you how to set it up and how it works. It's just showing you what's in the box, and that's it. So, quite a sizable box, quite a long box. Feels quite heavy. I believe this is Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6. I'm not too sure, but they do have Wi-Fi 7 repeaters on their website. So, but that's an extra £10 per month. So if you've got anything Wi-Fi 7 enabled, that could be an option for you. I only have the only thing I have that is Wi-Fi 5 is my phone, I believe. Right, so in the box you get a card. Smart Hub Plus. I couldn't remember what it was, but it's a Smart Hub Plus. So there's the QR code for downloading the app on, I believe, iOS and definitely Android. So I think I've already downloaded it. So this obviously tells you how to set it up. So what's in the box, how to set it up. It's going to be quite simple because I'm just going to be swapping the cables from one router to the other. So let's have a look. Right, so go to the side. We have a UK plug, which I believe is a barrel plug. Yeah, barrel plug, which is colour coded red. Just a simple wall plug. And on the left, so on the right, we get a red colour coded Ethernet cable, which should be rated for up to about 10 gigabits per second. I believe it's a Cat 5. I do have quite a lot of these now. Let's see. This is a Cat 5e rated Ethernet cable, so this will be able to handle most of your demanding tasks. And in the middle you have the router. It's quite a big router. It's bigger than the BT router I've got at the moment. And a cloth covering, which is quite nice. It's normally plastic or paper, so that's quite nice. Alright, download before you set up. So it's plastic, it's quite heavy. It's more weighty in the middle, so it's not a weighted base. Right, I believe this lights up, and on the back that is the password in there, and you have your phone. You put your home phone in this socket, so home phones do not go through the wall socket anymore, they go through the router. And you have 4 Ethernet ports, and you have a WAN RAM port, which goes to your breakout box for the internet, and yeah, I can't remember what it is now. It will come to me later. Your fibre optics box, and you have a USB port, power for the power plug, and then you have the power button, and then you have a reset. So if you have a problem with your router, you press the reset for about 5 seconds and it should sort everything out. So on the other side, on the left hand side, you have a pairing button. So you push this for about 3 seconds and you can automatically pair something without having to put a password in. On the front it's just normal, and yeah, that is it. So what you get in the box is quite a sizable Cat 5e rated Ethernet cable and a UK barrel plug and the router. So I'm going to see how big this is, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back, so I've got a measuring tape. So how big is this? So about 29 centimeters at the top and about 30 centimeters at the bottom and 18 centimeters from bottom to top, and let's have a look at the base. Is about 5 centimeters, and the side is also about 5 centimeters, and then the top is about 3 centimeters. So it's not too bad. It's you're going to need quite a sizable gap for here, but I think you should be able to. Oh no, you can't put it on the wall, unfortunately. Okay, you're going to need to find a quite sizable gap to put this in, but that's the dimensions, and that's the unboxing of the EE Smart Hub Plus. So thank you for watching, and hope you have a good day. £1 Gamer out.